first thing I notice is the PowerLocus has included a lovely hardshell case. That's always nice.
Mm-hmm.
But how can a pair of giant headphones fit into that? Here we go.
Oh, so they've got the hinge design. Okay.
Yes, are you ready?
Yep.
Ta-da! Okay, let's set that aside just for one moment here and get a look at the accessories. Okay, we've got a standard headphone cable so that you can use these if the battery is dead for some reason and you want to keep listening. You're going to be able to plug them directly in. That's fine. You've got a USB micro charging cable. I've got a couple of little manuals and things like that. We'll take a look at those later. No big deal. Okay, so hardshell case is the first thing I noticed, and I do love that and appreciate that. Now, these headphones have Bluetooth 4.2 and EDR. Jeff is wondering, what the heck does EDR mean? Are you wondering that? Am I right?
No, I've heard of it. I know it. I'm blanking on it.
Well, when you see Bluetooth EDR, it means that it has a technology in it that essentially is like an encryption blocking technology that prevents man-in-the-middle attacks, people being able to listen to your, what, music? But Jeff, why would you care if people are man-in-the-middle attacking listening to your music? No, these have a built-in microphone, and you can use these for phone calls wirelessly to your phone. It has a traditional tactile power switch. I do kind of like that. That's cool. And you just flip that on and off. Okay, we've got 4.2 Bluetooth. Low latency. We've got the EDR. And you see that I've chosen orange because that's just my thing, but there are several different color options available to you. Jeff, what frequency response would you be looking for? And you can feel free to switch around cameras if you want to say hi. Frequency response. So you're an audiophile like me. What are you looking for in a pair of headphones?
You know what? I don't know. I've never really paid attention lately.
I can hear you, but I can't see you, Jeff.
But, okay, fine. There, now you can see me. I don't know.
I traditionally, Jeff,
yep,
I look for 20 to 20,000 hertz because that's what I always figured was full spectrum.
Okay,
now,
fair enough.
These headphones, the one thing that was a bit of a turnoff for me looking at the specs is that they start at 110 hertz. So 110 hertz is the lowest it goes, and it goes up to 20,000 hertz. And normally that would make me say, okay, I want to find something that's 20 to 20,000 because that's just, you know, it's like that's just what I look for.
Right.
But I started looking at the reviews and people saying, oh, wow, the bass is fantastic. It's so crystal clear. And I thought, oh, maybe they've done something to this. I mean, they've got giant drivers in here. That's going to give it great bass, even in spite of the fact that it doesn't go down all the way to 20 hertz, which I can't hear anyways. My human ears can't even hear that.
Right.
So these are 110 to 20,000 hertz, and I'm going to give them a try in just a moment to see if they actually live up to the reviews. Playtime, we're going to get about 9 hours music listening. We're going to get about 6 to 8 hours of talk time if we're using them for phone calls and things like that. You can switch between the two. And it only takes 2.5 hours to fully charge these.
It's not bad.
Now, Jeff, you want to know what really sold me on these from PowerLocus?
It's not the color. Is it the cushiness of the earpieces?
Yeah, the cushiness is good. They look cool, blah, 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 blah. Headphones are headphones. There are a million to choose from on Amazon.
Cooks you breakfast.
We've got tactile buttons for volume and things like that. Great. Yeah, that's cool. And then we have a micro SD port.
What?
These Bluetooth 4.2 headphones include a micro SD port that allows me to put music on a micro SD card so that if I don't have access to, let's say I don't want to stream music from my phone, maybe my phone's battery is low, maybe I just want to listen to music and go for a jog and not take my phone with me. Well, I can just put them on an SD card. I've got that option.
No way.
That's an option I've never seen in Bluetooth headphones, and I love it. In addition to that,
I've never seen that.
Hidden somewhere in here is also an FM radio. Built right in. So this is, Jeff,
it's about everything you need.
Everything that you need in a Bluetooth set of headphones. I'm going to bring this over to you.
Okay.
Let's try it. You ready?
Sure.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, I can hear that.
This is the impossible thing to review.
It's true. Well, we can review. They can't hear.
We'll be right back. This is some good television right here. Jeff's pretty particular about the headphones that he wears, and they're impossible to let you hear how they sound. Or are they? Because we have a very special friend here with us tonight.
I'm just going to miss the rest of the show.
Okay, I'm going to take these over to our dummy head. We've got a binaural dummy head here, Jeff.
Stupid dummy head!
All right, I'll be right back.
Okay.
You talk to them.
You're leaving me again? Okay, that's some sweet sound. That's got some great low end. I like that. So, am I being replaced by the dummy head? I'm jealous of the dummy head. Those are some very, very nice.
Now tell me if I'm yelling.
Yeah, you are.
They do sound good. I'm excited about them. They look cool too.
They do, but what's really impressive is the ear depth is not great on those, like as far as distance great, but when you were talking, I'm assuming you were talking, you weren't just mouthing, but I couldn't hear a thing. Like, they're great for noise canceling.
Speak to me.
Speak to me.
No, I
I'm
can't hear
saying
you.
things to you.
I can, yeah, that actually has really good noise cancellation.
It does.
For sure. Very nice.
I felt like I was on one of those game shows like, put on the headphones so you can't hear.
Check out the PowerLocus headphones. If you're interested in that, I'm in love with the fact that it also has the SD card reader.